biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ner mala we kan az diala kontilian ka roi na gwasame de yener lar kon len gwasame akwi kwartin konti roi kan wore cheng ti jekton konti latka ka guiken ka telam letken ka kwara konti tere wit ka juba tila kwan wore kwara konti dor Nuer ten konti dong gorka ana ka telam latkena en community dan koni kola Nuer ki society dan dar woni amdi me benna so na me jaga kon ko tindialan kon de kon we dan loka ka ke doran jaga ko buko je kan dial missionary mat ke nation kel bana roche me ban je kwen ka jan gwata me mi jram jidit kan online TV channel gor jen ojen nyoka ni ko ken ku subscribe ka ku notification bell ku je twain ko de ler me de chamala shuba ka je gwal dan pa la reten are ler kana me man bana kwen ne tin lo kan Nuer ka right kan Nuer no lo kan Nuer ka right kan ke lo ka kwarte chung kan yam den Nuer ka dil kuch ka do mugul do bdan de guiken Nuer dera do metede what can a community do when their leader fail them me sha community charge pel and etin kon tila weekend adobe the ande ko niam ka jama what can we do as a community de kono niam de mi shi kwar kon chi kon ko fail lo tele do mo na niam ka de tel do mi chi kan no de na niam chit ka rik to talk tin tama de na rien thiech mi kwar mi chane ka che ka gang ke che ka lok ka chi na don ka dup tung wan no de je chom ke de ja advice ke de ja correct ba ka cha kan lo kan o ka gwas dan gor ka ja de community chit ka community Nuer de kan char ka dup tu gol ko ken en lat dan le lat kwar long o beneka bakalateka a leader job is to serve the people, not just enjoy the power, o de kwar fonda ada lanane ka ti de tenalo de ko jana kwar. So this is one factor mandan and man yet Nuer long ko la kwar la gujane rode no beriangajen mo kon le lat gwata me mishan jaon ka chan fail ke kana o ka gwada te kon ka chong medit te kon ka chong mede kon alat a leader mo de naro rodien kap chong koren ke kwar de naro din kap chong kore me kwar kel banar kap chong kore me kwar ngon banar din kap chong koren we must stop supporting these leaders as a community mi kon ngaje no chicken chungo kon kel ala an kwar jega bomda ka kanere content tintilador kitila community leader get their power from the people jekan chon jekan long dien indeed jekan ka community micha ka lengat lo cha ka ngat kala de kon let ken ka ngono de do dara ko kap chon koren chi dor che de longot ka mu we ko niam koren so na me dara kon save time micha na ran kap chon lo chi kon ko support the leader charge de support ki kwaramo so ala leadership ki kwar ki forever sim butitin mana gwada ya jaw ka jaramo mo kwar la ram kai la be tama yo bu kwara den ba gwada ba jala gwal rewdo gwada me mi che ken lo chi point den kwar che community che jeleng la community should speak up and ask question don't worry that teach de ka dol de kan ka dol de ka teach ka de ka rach o ngume adob de manan yam ka jamo community da ro da dol de ka rach tenen jaw ko dob dan de naw yam ka je ka jen ku kwara mo mi ka lengon me point kwaren le de mi shoro lut che na che ka leng chit ka kwar kon de chin wari kan ka leng tene so to kon ka chon ko we have to speak up and we ask question so de kon yik te ka dole no ka de ne tin de na kalat de na riti no ka man je ka dan le de ramamo so na ran der te malara what me diode de kwada di ende ja kwan munaka we can choose a better leader if the leader continue to fail, you know. Ala point and kwara micha fail, la key leader micha fail in that time. So they just watch, they guard they just kwan kwara dian. Their community, they carrying kwan kwara dian melenka, medier ketek dian. But chicken they go no kwar meleticho the lot, achina one Kenyan. One dian guasa me mende nyoko malat keje, and eti konti lan nuääri, you know. Show the truth. They talk de janyot. They talk de janyot not. Me take a muto quere de jayiglat near the corn till I no quer man tower janene. Manjak a co be fail ke be can a chanuari chakaladika donga dar ke donga umutuagona. Community should speak out and tell the others what is really happening. Chicken one day to de ka yik right de ka Jordan kamrar no men chush kon jane. Batok ba jalarar. Telling the truth can help bringing change. You know, malar ka talk no ngagir ban mecha talk chajalat and we keep on hiding the fact. Neme ko community ko je hinder ke to community do dan there nyam ko je. So they need one da gwan or they can talk they can larar. Mondo dien dene they right mi je to kwarmo. You know, they jagak. Peacefully refuse bad order. Misha na jogo no chana mjega malat. So tina ka chuang ko deja kap chuang. De roja jega mo mretura mon kwera mo deja gak. Na me one thing me ja community ko ba woni amba. If the leader give bad advice or does things that harm the community, the people can peacefully refuse to take part. Michi can look on pang, michi look on kwera point and go. You know, liangona lobana order lada me jega me. Muk biji benefit che malat ke a general nuääri laken community ke laken anang rerika ko ba course din ba je support run bu community believe ke jan bu kan o pain pin you know che mo tore nuääri so another community da me jeg mo malat ko mo ram mo changa guardian ke changa ngudien de kan halok de kan jo mulade mo is bad for the community, it is bad for the whole society. Okay, any bad advice, bad order should be rejected. Okay, so munyuno community daro mchana mo da jangat, but community mi jalijan bang loro bang just gurna mandana lat ke ram mo ko a general ki kwar kala de mi chodlo nakana community dien chikan teg ne ja. So no more a bad thing me jak. Madian gwada me de nuääri they can dit, they can get it jelwa kuni, you know, they can get it look. They ngwana de ka do daran de kwermo de je wike je ki de je loka je ka do mdar woni am ko je ko kwerm je by the way kwerm cha kam like you can advise that leader. When you advise that leader, you either end up in prison, okay, or being abused in different way by that leader. A leader who refuses to be advised, you know, a bad leader no more. So we should ask elders or religious leader for help. Then a kwalwa kot kana kwar community ka, you know, kadit dia dene ka teach. Kone dia kon langwane and do the ende community daro nyam gojamo. A community is not weak when people stand together and speak with one voice. Point den dhɔaaran ke kone kon lan nuääri. Chikon de pol chikon dia ne te nyuan mijel kon kel michung kon kel krai kon ge jokel ko jodan kel mo ba community dan ba jamu ka bom, you know, katele mi jeng mi ben mi betok ten ko rai ne dial ka to kel ne mi shalar community mo ne dial o no mo jeg bana chu chong jode so ne me lokono kwere jega mo ba community ba je yar. You know, any leader who keep failing does not deserve to lead. You know, any core mila fail nishang ko chana cheka be motivated, che be care kake, sheka bilis tentin kon lat ken ke chim tore wi ke so Sudan wude chol ke kim yadi nagana Nuer bani de kon kwa support ke nang Nuer kan ka kwa Nuer so kwa Nuer they are blinded, you know, who can follow ni blind leader that keep on killing their own people. Manak ne ken nagana ne ka bat chicken deer. Okay, acting for the good of the community is not a crime, it is the right thing to do. And obi mugwa be lat kadoro mit la chong chi me jak ajen chongon gor keneja someone chong kel ban tung wane ken long to go bana ka long ko bana ka woyre doran Nuer go ne jeno bana chong kel and a kwar mi chungo kon kel. He does not deserve to lead Nuer community. He deserves to step away from not leading Nuer. So go ahead and jalkel. Community dan kwa je oppress ke yarka je in different way. Either you ke roani to go teacher mo chamo go ache bilaten ramamo ba gora shemani, you know, because this is what we all are saying. We can see when a leader is chosen to lead Nuer community, the only people that will stand beside that person get share money. Because kwakuju kane chu chamkel all the position dial and kono gono kere do re gwadamo re kum ka beken dial beken ka occupy alo ba shwa kum cheng an gwadamo chu tete chu wa ke je ka men morun ti Nuer community shebele wo woniam ajen je dana no mono. So chana ngeda no nena. A community is not weak when people stand together and speak with one voice. When we speak with one voice, we can bring change to our community. Okay? So, chana rwan in jerong in bigger Canadiality and quarry chana look chana kinyer. Chana Gorman Guanajan Mande community dan de nang a conchi gune bang ko meda ko kwera ko nguda bana to banyalara jen bo community dan bo koloniam kajamo biatemal